Hey everyone, it's Jonathan here, founder of Driving Academy, and in today's video we're going to be discussing how to upgrade your CDL Class B license to a CDL Class A. Now if you're watching this video, that might mean you want to make more money with your CDL license, and getting yourself a CDL Class A is one of the best options to do so. Class A drivers make a lot more than Class B drivers, and watching this video to the end is going to give you the step-by-step guide on exactly what you're going to need to do in order to upgrade that license. That being said, what is going to be step number one? So step one is going to be you're going to need to get a CDL Class A permit. Now I know what you might be thinking, hey, to get my Class B license, I already got my permit, but you got yourself a CDL Class B permit. In order to get a CDL Class A permit, you've had to pass one extra exam that you did not do back then, which was the combination vehicle written exam. Now that you have a CDL Class A permit, it is time to pass a 2.5 hour long road test. Now, depending on how old your CDL Class B license is, you might not be aware of the new ELDT laws that have come into effect, which means that anybody looking to upgrade or get their CDL license has to meet the minimum federal requirements, which means you have to go to an approved training provider that's going to walk you through all the minimum certifications that you're going to need before you can actually sit for the CDL road test. Phase number one is going to be, do you have the ELDT theory base? If you're a student here at Driving Academy, we're going to help you out with all that, which means you have the basic understanding of what it's required to be a CDL driver. The fact that you have a CDL Class B, and as long as you're good, you should be able to pass that test without any issue. And then you're going to have to get ready for the actual road test, which is going to be split into 3 different parts. It's going to be the inspection, both inside and outside. It's going to be the parking maneuvers, which is going to be 4 different parking maneuvers. And then it's going to be driving the truck on the road itself. Now, when it comes to the inspection, of course, a Class A vehicle is much bigger than a Class B, which means you're going to have to inspect more things than what you did with a Class B. And depending on when you got your CDL Class B license, the inspection of today's test is completely different than just the inspection of 2 years ago. So make sure you study. The other thing is going to be the parking. Just because you know how to drive a box truck or a dump truck does not mean you know how to park a tractor trailer. It's a completely different skill set. So going to the proper school to help you with this new skill set is going to be super important in order for you to upgrade to that license. And then of course you're going to be driving on the road. Now the biggest difference when it comes to driving a Class B vehicle and a Class A vehicle on the road is going to be how wide you're going to have to turn this vehicle. Because if you're on the road portion of the road test and you're making a turn and you make it a little bit too tight and all of a sudden your back tire touches the curb, you completely failed the test, and it's now time to start from the beginning again. So as a recap, what are you going to need to do to upgrade from a Class B to a Class A? Step number one, go get yourself a Class A permit by passing the combination vehicle exam. Step number two, enroll into an approved training provider. Now, make sure you're watching out with exactly what school you're enrolling into, because the federal government has already removed over 5,000 schools from the federal registry because they were not meeting the minimum requirements. And I feel bad for the students who enrolled in those schools because many of those students are going to have to get retested, and of course it's not going to be for free, which means now they have to pay for another test or pay to go to another school, which is going to become a lot more expensive in the long run. And step number 3, once you have those first 2 steps done, pass the CDL Class A road test in a CDL Class A vehicle. And once you do that, you're on your way to making more money with your CDL Class A. So if you're ready to get started with the best CDL school in the country, check out our website, cdldrivingacademy.com. Find a location near you, and we're here to help you get on the next level of your road to freedom with your CDL Class A license.
If you want to get your CDL, Driving Academy is here to make that process simple. We'll help you pass your permit, train behind the wheel, and prepare you for real-world driving with days and night classes 7 days a week. Start with only $500 down with interest-free payments and get lifetime job placement assistance to help you get hired fast. Visit cdldrivingacademy.com and let's help you get started on your road to freedom today. If you like this video, I know you're going to love this one too. And of course, subscribe. And if you're ready to get started, click on the link below.